to be our first song for today. Only Hope. Medyo morning voice pa nga tao kasi okay lang yan. There's a song that's inside of my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. I'm awake in the infinite cold, but you sing to me over and over and over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my holy hope. DJ Yana ba? Sing to me the song of the stars, malipan of your galaxy, dancing and laughing again. When it feels like my dreams so far, sing to me of the plans that you have for me over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my holy hope. I give you my destiny. I'm giving you all of me. I want your symphony, singing in all that I am. At the top of my lungs, I'm giving it back. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only hope. Ayun. Welcome to MNO48 FM. Kailangan, joke lang. Pero feel ko talaga yun. Maging DJ din. So, thank you so much sa mga nag-gift. Hindi ko masyado nakita lahat. Pasensya na. Ayun. Pero nandito si J-Rick. Nagpaalam nga sa akin si J-Rick actually. Nabasa ko yung DM niya. Hindi daw siya makaka-attend. So, in-approve ko naman yung leave niya for today's live. Pero pumasok pa rin siya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! Nandito si Rishin. Nandito din, of course, wait lang, may Grim Van Lions, ayan, lagi siyang, nanonood ng live ko, nag-send Galaxy, thank you so much. So, si Kuya Roms nandito din, welcome guys. So, yes, kapagod magbiyahe, that's true guys, lalo na pag Monday, no, yung nag-enjoy mo yung buong weekend, Tapos biglang balik ulit sa pag-commute. So sana okay kayong lahat, sa lahat ng nanonood na nasa jeep, bus. Wow, talagang DJ. Tricycle. Okay. HR Yana, anong bet mong AKB song na mag-center? Uy, grabe ka. Alam nyo, the choice is yours. So ako, nandito lang naman ako para kantahin ang gusto nyong kantahin ko. Kaya pwede din kayo mag-request and give gifts for that. And of course, kaya nga tayo may campaign katulad ng current campaign natin na Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025. Malapit na guys! Hindi ba kayo na-excite? Kasi kami excited na and pressured. So talagang grabe yung results pag ganun-ganon. Pero thank you so much kasi kasama pa rin ako sa Kami 7. Parang tototohanin ng recruits yung sinabi nila na we will make sure that you will part of the Kami S7. Pero grabe naman. Kahit ano lang guys, na-appreciate ko yun. Pero sobrang thank you. Kaya kung sa tanong nyo kung anong gusto kong i-center, kayo ang bahala. Kami ay nagbibilang lang ng mga boto ninyo. So, bumoto na kayo. So, there are 2 ways to vote. So, first, the Google form. So, yung Google form natin is tinyurl.com/fortunecookie2025. So, there you can choose who your Oshi will be. Pero pwede din naman na iboto nyo kaming lahat. So, wala namang rules about that and walang limit. So, you can vote as much as you can. So, yung pinakamalaking package in one is 150 votes for 10,000 pesos. Wow, grabe si James. Nandito na si James. Hello. Welcome to my live. And, yun, thank you sa mga... uy, grabe naman to si Alex. 14 members are really pretty. This one is a prettiest so far. Yeah. Yes, thank you so much naman for that. I am in Indonesia. Hello from Indonesia. Paano ba sabihin yung hello in Indonesia? Because alam ko, parang nakalimutan ko. So, anyway, thank you so much guys sa mga nag-gift and sa mga bumoto na for me to be part of the Senbatsu of Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025. So, there are another way to vote. So, yung una is Google Form. That's the first way. For those who are here watching from another country, we're not sure if you can vote through Google Form, but for each fandom, kasi may mga fans club kami, so merong mga donation drive. So, check out your Oshi. So, yung MNL48 members, they have their official fans club. So, ako din meron. It's Yanaverse. So, they're having their donation drive. So, please follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and also Twitter. You can see there how you can donate so that it will be collated and be voted for your Oshi. For me! So, there you go. And another is, of course, through this TikTok live campaign. That's why we're here. We're having fun. We're entertaining you so that you can give us your love. So, please, I will appreciate any gifts. So, yung mga nagsisend na ng gifts, salamat talaga. So, nabibilang yan lahat, guys. So, 100 diamonds is equivalent to 1 vote. So, keep it coming. Chare. So, of course, next song na tayo. Ano pa bang next song nyo? So, just PM lang for rep of Yanaverse. Yes, hi! Yes, I can notice you ZXYYY_. So, there. Ano nang next natin? Hi, Froppy! Nandito na naman siya. So, 161 yung viewers natin. Ang dami, ha? Ano pa bang song na may word na pag-asa? Hawak kamay. Uy, pwedeng-pwede yun. Hawak kamay. And, wala lang. It's very timely, I think. Kasi, kahit tapos na yung typhoon, no, ang dami pa rin bumabangon. Kasi, hindi pa rin, you know naman, whenever typhoon happens, the effects are parang ang laki and ang tagal bago ma-resolve. Nakakagalit. Kasi of course, if we will compare it to other countries, they have their system. Pero tayo, alam nyo naman, we are facing different kinds of crisis bukod pa sa disaster, no? Yung pag-resolve ng mga pag-recover natin yung sistema ba. So anyway, I won't go into that kasi nga ang gusto nating mangyari today is to spread positivity and hope to everyone. So I hope that this song would, of course, to those especially living in Cebu, yung mga naapektuhan ng bagyo, wherever you are, yung may mga kapamilya na naapektuhan ng bagyo, I hope that this song, of course, would resonate to you. Hawak kamay lang tayo, guys. So, ito. Yes. Alam niyo pa ba to? Yung sa mga Gen Z. Kasi matagal na tong kantang to eh. So anyway, I really love this song because this is a song of hope. Thank you for the glow stick. Rainy July. Good. Hello. Welcome sa mga nanonood, 128 viewers. And tap po tayo and repost please so that everyone can also join our live. This is a song for you. Minsan nadarama mo, kaibigan, ng problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabing di mo na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumpungan, o di kaya ako'y tuwahagin. Malaman mo kahit kailan, hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo ang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, minsan madarama mo ang mundo'y umubo sa ilalim ng iyong mga paa. At ang agos ng problema ay tinatangay ka. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumpungan, o di kaya ako'y tuwahagin. Malalaman mo kahit kailan, hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, huwag mong sabihin nag-isa ka. Laging isipin may magkakasama. Narito ako, narito ako. Hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo ang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, sa mundo ng kawalan, hawak kamay, hawak kamay, hawak kamay. Sa mundo ng kawalan. Yay! Wow, pinalakpakan yung sarili. Well, thank you so much guys sa mga nag-gift, and sana yun nga, na-resonate ko yung message of hope. Wow, tinatatahanan niya talaga maging radio DJ kasi feel na feel ko yung attire ko for today. Medyo radio DJ-ish. So yes, thank you so much sa mga 144 na nanonood. And hi again, I'm MNL48 Yana, and we're having our MNL48 Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 campaign! Woo! So thank you so much sa mga nag-gift. Wow! James, thank you so much sa Galaxy. Woo! So anyway, yun, my theme for tonight is hope. So, sa mga nawawala ng pag-asa sa kahit anong, aspeto ng buhay, guys, kapit lang tayo. Kahit man lang, for this life, mabigyan ko kayo ng pag-asa. And of course, sana humaba yun. So, don't worry, guys. I'm here for you. And sa mga hindi nakakilala sa MNL48, that's the difference of, wow, binenta yung MNL48. Pero yeah, ayun yung concept po kasi ng MNL48 is idols you can meet. So, we're doing TikTok live. Of course, other idols do it, but we really interact like now what we're doing. So, you can also treat us as your friend. Consider as your friend. So, if yun, wala kayong mapagsabihan ng problema nyo. Kala nyo na nababasa namin yung mga DMs nyo, no? Pag nagdi-DM kayo sa Instagram. Of course, we're not allowed to interact, but we can read it and know that we're here for you. And every song, every performance that we do for you is of course to make you happy and give you hope. So walang iwanan, guys. Walang susuko. Yes, naiya akong bigla. No worries. Ano ba kayo? Para sa inyo tong platform na to. So wag kayong mahihiya. We all have each other. So anyway, yan. I'm accepting request. So, request na kayo, guys. Ang bilis ng oras, 5:28 na agad. So, wow. 27 po sila. Yes, hello, Nameless. Thank you so much for the bow. So, thank you, Nameless, for asking that. So, 27 na kami. Ganun kami kadami. But, as you can see, lahat may Oshi. Ang Oshi, para siyang bias. Kung parang in layman's term ba? Layman's term. Yes. Nakikilala mo ba yung DP ko, Yana? Sino to? Uy, si Johan. Johan Libert. Yun, favorite ko yun. So, thanks for the words of encouragement. Yes, I got you, guys. I got you. A Million Dreams. Actually, kinanta ko na to from my last live. Pero siguro kung makakakuha ko ng gifts from you, kakantin ko. Wow, may condition. Pero of course, yes, guys. Ikaw ang pag-asa. Hindi ko alam yun. Medyo, sorry marami akong songs na hindi alam. So, lang tayo. Kapaan. Hello po, team leader po, yung tatay mo, si Sir Leo. Grabe, hi! Hi, Sir Mark Allen Laron. Shout out. Yes, sa mga nasa Toyota ngayon. Hello! Yes, pakikalat po, paki-repost kahit sa FB kung saan man, paki-share na nagla-live tayo ngayon para mas maraming makanood. So, salamat po, Kuya Tito Mark. Tito! So, there. Tatsulok. Uy, pwede. Uy, Shali, hello! Uy, Shali, awa na lang. Hallelujah. Bagsakan. Paano naging Song of Hope yun? Teka nga, tanong nga natin yung kung mangingi na tayo ng suggestion kung anong pwedeng kantahin. So anyway, First Rabbit, sige. Pero favorite ko kasi yung First Rabbit. So sorry, nakanta ko na din siya before, pero bet ko siyang kantahin again and again. Yan. Nakanta na before. Pero, of course, para sa inyo, ulitin ko. Hanap tayo ng magandang, First Rabbit is one of my favorite, actually top favorite song ko ng MNL48 because this is very special to me. Kinanta namin to sa first announcement na we're part of MNL48. So, yung technically debut namin. So, very special siya. Hey, hey, hey. Uria, oy, uria, oy. Minsan sa aming paglalakad kami napadpad sa kuwebang madilim, walang makita. Aking mga kasama sa dilim na takot na, ayaw nilang pumasok pa, naghintuan na. Pero ako natuwa sa aking nakita, kahit sa dilim ay matapang ako. Kahit na masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uurungan. Dahil ang pangarap ay pinaglalaban. Sa isyo ng usagin naroon. Siyempre, Fortune Cookie. Lahat yan ng MNL48 members. Ayan ang favorite. But of course, for 4th generation and for me, this is very special song. And yes, this song is very hopeful song. Sa isyo ng usagin ni Naru. Hindi maipagmamalaki kung mahina ang loob. Itaas ang sarili, tapang ang sandata. Basta tuloy ang laban, kakampi ang mga bituin. Sa daraan kong bakas maiwan. Kahit nasa puso ay may pagdududa, tatapangan ang loob, lalaban ako. Nasusugatan, may matututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pamasaktan, lahat ng hirap at sa titisin ko. Sa isyo ng usagin ni naroon. Hey! Thank you so much, Seth! Grabe, ang dami naman nun. 100 sticks! Show your love and support po. Hi, I'm MNL48 Yana. Tap screen and share the live. Thank you for the gifts. Tingnan nyo, lahat tayo di matatalo. Sa buhay wag susuko, buong loob susuko na. Walang iwanan, magtatagumpay lahat. Masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uurungan. Tulad ng pangarap na pinaglalaban. Tuloy-tuloy walang susuko hanggang magkatotohanan. Lahat masusugatan, may matututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pamasaktan, lahat ng hirap at sa titisin ko. Sa isyo na usagin ni naroon. Hi, Mina, nahata ka na ba? Yes, so onti na lang ba? Thank you so much naman sa mga nahahatak. At tulungan niyo po akong manghatak pa by tapping so that tumaas ang popularity natin, no? And makalat pa ang live natin by reposting too. So thank you so much, guys! Hi, Kay! So ayun. 27,000 likes na. So tap pa tayo, guys. How about 100,000 likes? Charis! So, actually, meron akong gift for my recruits and for MN Love. So, sabi ko, if makakapasok ako ng Senbatsu, I will give you 3 covers. So, may request na yung admin ng Yanaverse na gusto nilang makita yung pinasa kong audition piece. So, yung random video lang yun na nakasave sa cellphone ko by the time na nag-audition ako sa MNL48. So, ayun, isa yon sa mga i-release ko. So, next song, hindi ko pa alam. So, kayo ang mag-decide, MN Loves, kung anong gusto nyong song na i-cover ko if ever makapasok ako sa Senbatsu. Pero thank you so much. I think tumataas na talaga yung confidence ko and pag-asa ko na makakasama ko kasi I'm part of the rank 7 ako sa results ng preliminary. Pero marami pang mangyayari, guys. So I really thank you for your support. And sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, you can vote through Google Form and also gift dito sa TikTok Live. So every 100 diamonds will be equivalent to 1 vote. So that will comprise the 30% of the whole voting, count. So sa Google Form naman, 70%. So it means like kung yung 1 vote sa Google Form, it will be equivalent to 0.70 votes sa overall count. So, yes, of course, mas mataas yung sa Google Form. So, may mga package doon. So, if you think na you cannot afford it or hindi pa kaya ng budget, it's okay. So, you can approach the Yanaverse admin for your donations. So, kahit magkano yan, of course, I would really appreciate that. Wow, nambubudol siya, guys. So, thank you so much. Kami 7 daw. Yes, of course. Kung kaya, of course, gusto kong maging part of the Kami 7. So, maraming salamat. Wow, ang bilis naman tumaas. 32K na likes. So, 95 viewers. Hello guys. I'm Manel 48 Yana. Please support me sa campaign ng Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025. So, kung sa mga hindi nakakaalam, bago pa lang dito, no, yung Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie po is yung nagva-viral ngayon na Onikiri, o pag-ibig, fortune cookie, kinabukasan, magandang sinasabi, hey, hey, hey. Kung gustong maging mas mate, wag mong kalimutang gumiti. So, ayun po yung song and we're gonna have a performance video and since 27 kami and that's how system works. So, depende sa pagmamahal ng mga fans namin, we will have some ranking. So, please support me to be part of the Senbatsu who will be performing the performance video ng Fortune Cookie, Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025. So, grabe ang bilis ng oras, guys. Ang bilis-bilis. Yung face card mo pang AKB48. Thank you so much naman sa mga compliments. Kinikilig ako. Wow, uy, thank you so much. Kahit ginawa akong yan. Anyway, salamat sa mga nag-gift sa atin. Thank you, James. So there, sana makapasok ka sa Senbatsu bagay sa MV yung ng Fortune Cookie. Thank you, Hyper 1000. It's my first time to see your name. So maraming salamat for watching. Pati si Kent, PFC video remake ba ito? Somehow, yes. It's, of course, original pa rin yung Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie music video. So this is going to be a performance video. 2025 version. Kasi marami ng bago. Isa ako dun kasi part ako ng 4th generation. So please support us. HR, convince mo ako mag-PFC since Pag-ibig. Sa Pag-ibig ako nag-work. Oy, si Papa G sa Pag-ibig wala na. Sa Pag-ibig pala nag-work. Oh, of course, lahat dapat mag-participate. So yes, we encourage you guys to have your own Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie entry, Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie challenge. So, we encourage you. Very easy lang, guys. Wow, nag-tutorial pa. So, I'm gonna teach you how to dance. Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie, guys. So, ganito lang. Oh, Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie, kinabukasan, magandang sinasabi. Oh, ikot, pause. Kung maging maswerte, wag mong kalimutang gumiti ulit. Fortune Cookie, paghirapan para gumanda bukas mo. Hey, hey, ganun lang. Ang dali-dali. So, nakakatuwa kasi nakikita ko lahat sa maraming, events, birthday, office event, competition sa school. Talagang pinapatugtog siya. So, paabutin natin siya, guys, sa Christmas. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, very timely. Nakita niyo na ba yung Seifuku namin? Very parol, no? So, paabutin nyo na masuot namin yung Seifuku na yun, malay nyo. Diba? Hindi ko pa sure kung ay susuot namin. Hanggang Pasko, come on. So, Sana magkaroon din ng Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie Christmas version. So, yes, Parol. Diva by Beyonce, Glee version yan. Kaya, Diva, ano yun? Sorry. Hindi ako masyadong familiar dun sa song na yun. Ano po yung Seifuku? Seifuku, hi, Jip. So, ayun yung parang, namin, costume. Parang in layman's term, costume. But it's very special kasi yun yung talagang susuot namin for a specific song. So, for Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie, search nyo yung Seifuku namin. Ayun, very, very Parol. Which is so cute! Ano ba kayo? Seifuku is uniform. Yeah, uniform namin siya. So, issue is costume. Ay, sorry, Satanghon. So, thank you for correcting me. Ayun po. Yung Oshi, ano po yun? Oshi is parang yung bias sa ibang girl groups or boy groups. So, ayun po yung parang hindi number one, parang yung gusto nyong suportahan na member. So, ayun. Bias in Korean term. Yeah, I think yun yung pinaka, best way to describe it. So, anyway, 5:42 na, guys. Well, ayun. Tap pa tayo, 41,000 na ang nagla-like and 110 yung viewers. Thank you so much and thank you sa mga 17 gifters ko. Salamat. So, iniidolo in Filipino naman. Yes, that's true. That's why idol. So, ano pang natin kakantayin? So, I think isa to sa mga, of course, songs that gives hope sa mga MNO48 songs. Tumingin sa langit ng umaga, sa araw kong tawagin ay ngayon. Umaasang malalagpasan ng may ngiti, tahimik na hinihiling. Kung minsan pumapatak ang ulan, ngunit luha'y umapaw. Mga araw na di umayon sa ating plano, bukas pagsisipagan ko. Pangarap na aking inaasa, may isang pangako na malaya. Nagagawa lahat aking ninanais, ito ang aking hangarin. Buhay ay eroplanong papel, talang pangarap, ito'y lumilipad. Kasabay ng pag-iip ng hangin, patuloy sa pagsulong. Sa halip di alintana layo, kung saan to maglakbay at kung saan man mapadpad, ito ang masikit na mahalaga. Tibok ng puso ang gabay, 365 araw. Yes, stream MNL48 songs on Spotify. So this is 365 or 365 araw. 65 araw. Eroplanong papel, guys. Pagkataong makita ang bituin o gabi, halos walang makita. Kahit nawawalan man ang pag-asa, nakahanap ng sandigan. Sa iyong pinagdadaanan, umasa kang hindi ka nag-iisa. Di mo lang napansin ang kabutihan ng mga tao sa paligid. Buhay ay eroplanong papel, dalang pag-ibig, ito'y lumilipad. Magtiwala sa sarili at ika'y umayo. Lahat titingala sa'yo, di man bihasa ang mga darating. Bigla kong nabala, yan ako'y nabayagpag na. Mabigyan ng lakas ng loob at pag-asa, tayo't magsama't magsaya. 365 araw. kumusta naman kayo? Napaka-serious ng song, but I hope it gives you hope, guys, because buhay ay eroplanong papel. Talang pangarap, ito'y lumilipad, kasabay ng paghihip ng hangin, patuloy sa pagsulong, sa halip di ay tanalayo, kung saan to naglakbay at kung saan man mapadpad, ito ang masigit na mahalaga, tibok ng puso ang gabay, 365 araw. Sige, lumipad ka, subukang lumipad. Sige, lumipad ka, subukang lumipad. Sige, lumipad ka, subukang lumipad. Thank you so much, guys! Yun. Yes, maraming salamat po. Ay, wait lang guys, kuha lang ako ng tubig kasi grabe ang init pala ng damit na ito. Wait lang guys. Thank you so much. Wait. Wala, ayan. Sorry guys, ano ba yan? Nakamute tayo. So thank you so much for waiting. So nag-bio break lang din tayo. Lip read ulit. Okay, yan. Okay na. So we're back and thank you so much for waiting guys. Yun. So ang bilis ng oras. Ilang minutes na lang? 10 minutes or 15 ganun. Pa-request po. Yan. You look like Sana from Toys. Grabe naman to si Tapak ko na. Thank you so much. I wanna know. Charis. Yun. Parang maganda to yung 10 taon ng Sakura sa last live natin. Actually, nagre-reserve lang ako ng mga kanta for last live. Of course, dapat pasabog yun, di ba? Dami sinabi. Sorry na. So, natin next. So anyway, for those who doesn't know, so hi, I'm MNO48 Yana. So I'm part of the 4th generation of MNO48. So meron na tayong 5th generation guys. So nakakatuwa makita na grabe yung support, no? nakakainggit nga. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi tayo inggitera, guys. So, pero nakakatuwa kasi, of course, the success of one member is success of everyone. So, nakakatuwa na makita na na ang daming sumusupport sa fifth generation. So, parang sabi namin, very good, very good. So, of course, alam naman natin na yung marami siyang followers, hindi lang yung 25 na MN Loves, diba? So, kumakalat, diba? Ay, thank you naman. Dami nagsasabi kamukha ko si Sana. Parang maniniwala na ako. Parang gusto kong mag-content ng Twice mamaya. Sige. I wanna know. Anyway, napunta na tayo sa kung saan. So, grabe, pagbalik ko 52,000 likes na. Salamat! So, magka-comeback na talaga MNL48. And this is one of our, comeback activities, the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025. So, I hope you support all of us. And of course, support me through gifting in this live. So, 100 diamonds, guys, is equivalent to 1 vote. And sa Google form naman, you can buy, packages for votes. So, there is like 100 pesos yung pinakamababa, that will be equivalent to 1 vote, and then 10,000 yung pinakamataas, which is equivalent to 150 votes. So, wala naman ng limit. Kung gusto nyo maglapak, 100k, pak, ganun. So, ilan na agad yun? 1,500, wag naman. Ang sarap naman nun, 1,500 votes. So anyway, maraming salamat sa lahat ng form of support. So this is our way of giving back to you, of course, to interact with you guys, to sing for you. So if you have any requests, I'll try to sing that. Ano nga ulit team song mo sa mga marurupok na HR? Ano yun Broken Vow. Tama ba? Yun. Lakas talaga ng 5th gen. Yes! Support nyo din po ang 4th gen. So, 4th gen, 4 lang kami. Of course, MNL48 Yana, that's me. MNL48 Shell. MNL48 Line. MNL48 Ira. So, pag nakapasok kaming lahat sa Sembatsu, we have a gift for you. No way, man. So, yun. We have a content kasi may inside joke kami about it. Kasi sobrang... Yes, nakapasok na sa preliminary results si Line. Si Dear Line. So, salamat So, share natin guys yung live. Yes, salamat naman. So, MN Loves, let's keep the energy up. Every tap, every share, and gift helps me to be part of the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 performance video. So, tap nyo na guys. Paabutin natin sa 100k kahit ano na lang. 6 minutes. Grabe. Anong klaseng daliri yan? Pero malay nyo. Salamat sa mga gifters. So, yes, kanta ba tayo guys? Ano bang kanta natin? Yeah. Ayan. So, ito, favorite ko tong song na to actually. Yes. Favorite ko tong song na to. And very maganda, of course, yung meaning niya. So, of course, our theme for today is hope. So, guys, don't stop believing. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, a smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile a boulevard in shadows, searching in the night. Street light people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. This is Don't Stop Believing, so don't stop believing, guys. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose, some will born and sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends, it goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down a boulevard in shadows, searching in the night. Street light people living just to find emotions, hiding somewhere in the night. Thank you, Dream. Thank you, James. Yun, gusto kong umilag pa isa pa. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Straight lights, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on. Straight lights, people. Don't stop. Okay, yes, inilagan ko talaga. May extra points actually pag inilagan mo. So, pag tatlo na Joker ball, tapos nailagan mo, meron siyang extra points. Tapos, yung ano din, bow, pag tatlong beses mo din nailagan, may extra points. Very ano kasi ako. Chine-check ko talaga yung mga campaign sa TikTok bago ako mag-start. Kasi, meron siyang extra kang makukuha. Yan. Pag ano. So, of course, gusto ko yung mga ginigift nyo sa akin, magda-double. Ang funny. So, 6 minutes na lang tayo, guys. Thank you so much sa 57k na likes. So, tap lang tayo. So, tap is, ano, tap. Magaling. Yan. Ilagan nyo talaga. Yan. So, that's true. Yun. Hindi ko nailagan, guys. Bakit ganon? Gumano na nga ako, natamaan pa din. Ayoko na nga. Anyway, thank you so much. Sayang. Sige pa nga, isa pa nga. Uy, nailagan ko siya. Yay! Isa pa. Yay! Thank you so much. Dalawa na, salamat. PFC for the last song. Yes. May oras pa naman. Siguro mga 2 song pa to. So, PFC for the last song, of course. Naglaro na. Pinapasaya niyo ako. Yan. Ano pang kakantahin natin, guys? Tuwang-tuwa si Jeric. Ewan ko, for some reasons, gusto kong kantahin tong song na to. Ito. Ito na lang. Yun. BRV! Oy, thank you so much po. Favorite ko tong song na to, guys. I think it's also a song of hope. And of course, seeing the light after, you know, struggles in life. All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all the time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. Thank you so much, everyone. Wow, Yana, you are our light. Thank you so much. You're my light too. Yaman loves. So my recruits. So sabi ko nga, yung channel namin nasa 240 plus lang. But grabe yung powers. So thank you so much for making me, rank up sa 7. So hindi ko yun ine-expect. But guys, yun nga, marami pang pwedeng mangyari. So of course, I'm very hopeful with our numbers. Medyo impossible, pero I believe that there are miracles. So I hope that you can make my dreams happen and let me be part of the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 performance video. So I hope that you can give me more love. So you can vote and donate through monetary, sa Google form, you can buy votes, and then sa donation drive ng Yanaverse, and also through gifting. So thank you so much, Kuya Rob. Salamat sa pag-support mo sa Fortune. Yan, alam namin yan. I love you guys. I am John Aquino. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. Now that I see you. Thank you everyone for letting me feel seen. And of course, 30 seconds na lang. Actually, 20 seconds na lang bago mag-end ang live. So, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. So, catch me in my last live on Thursday. So, that's November 20. So, maraming salamat and kaya natin to, guys. Kaya ko to. Salamat. So, thank you so much. Bye, bye, bye. Gandang sinasabi yun. Yay! Babe!
Yung pinakamura ko ay dito ka na para makasave ka.